Have you ever wondered what drives beavers to build intricate dams? And do you know why beaver teeth are orange? Stay tuned to find out. Welcome to the fascinating world of beavers, nature's master builders and ecosystem engineers. Today, we're diving into the lives of these remarkable creatures and their significant impact on the environment. Join us as we explore the intricate world of beavers. First, let's look at beaver biology. Beavers are known for their large, ever-growing teeth, which they use to gnaw through wood. Their distinctive flat tails serve multiple purposes, from aiding in swimming to signaling danger. Beavers are not just skilled builders, but also social animals. They live in family groups, and their lifestyle is primarily nocturnal. Their diet? Mainly vegetarian, consisting of tree bark, twigs, and aquatic plants. Now, onto their most famous trait, dam building. Beavers construct dams to create a still water environment for their lodges. These dams play a crucial role in forming wetlands, which support diverse ecosystems. Beaver lodges are marvels of natural architecture. Built from sticks, mud, and stones, these lodges have underwater entrances, making them safe from predators and harsh weather conditions. The impact of beavers on ecosystems is profound. By building dams, beavers create wetlands, vital habitats for many species, from fish to birds, and help in water purification and soil enrichment. Historically, beavers were heavily trapped for their fur, leading to a drastic decline in their population. Today, conservation efforts focus on protecting beavers, balancing their benefits to ecosystems with their potential to conflict with human interests, such as causing flooding. Beavers are remarkable adapters. They prepare for winter by storing food and insulating their lodges. Their thick fur and fat reserves help them survive the cold. Communication is key in the beaver world. They use tail slaps on the water as alarm signals to warn others of danger, showcasing their highly developed social behavior. Despite past overhunting, many beaver populations have rebounded thanks to conservation efforts. However, ongoing protection is crucial to maintain their role as ecosystem engineers. And now for some fun facts about beavers. Longevity. While a typical lifespan for beavers is about 10 to 12 years, some beavers can live up to 24 years in the wild, an impressive lifespan for a rodent species. Eco-engineers. Beavers dramatically modify their environment, creating new ecosystems through their dam-building activities. Strong and colorful teeth. Beaver teeth never stop growing and are maintained by constant gnawing. Their front teeth are orange due to a protective layer of enamel, enhancing their strength. Underwater work and adaptations. Beavers can stay submerged for up to 15 minutes, doing much of their construction underwater. They have the ability to close their nostrils and ears while submerged, preventing water entry. Beaver castoreum. This substance secreted by beavers was historically used in perfumes and is sometimes used in food products as a natural flavoring. Heat exchange. Beavers have a specialized circulatory system in their feet for body temperature regulation, crucial for their aquatic lifestyle. Tail functions. Their tails serve multiple purposes, including communication, fat storage, and body temperature regulation. Family life. Beavers are monogamous, with both parents actively involved in raising their young, known as kits. Communication. Besides vocalizations and tail slapping, scent marking is a key form of beaver communication, leveraging their advanced olfactory senses. Landscape impact. Their activities support wetland restoration and maintenance, contributing to reduced erosion, improved water quality, and increased biodiversity. From their unique physiology to their critical role in shaping habitats, beavers are a testament to nature's ingenuity. Their continuous work as ecosystem engineers is vital for environmental diversity and health. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of beavers. Stay curious and keep exploring the wonders of the natural world with us.